Hello everyone. So today the topic of project is laser security alarm system in addition with Bluetooth, and when I say Bluetooth I will also be using the Android application which I have created using Android Studio Java language. So here I have done the circuitry part which was shown before on your screen. So now let me just quickly identify the elements. Here you can see the LDR resistor. Here is our NPN transistor, and the second transistor is over here. As you can see, yeah, it's there. And here I have used the LED. It's the big one. Actually, it's combination of 6 LEDs. And here is the buzzer. Here is our buzzer. And these are the jumper wires. And the 9-volt battery which I showed you in the circuit earlier, for that the input source I have taken from the Arduino itself. I will be taking a 5-volt source, and the ground also will be done from the Arduino part. So first I have disconnected the source part, otherwise it will be making this sound. So now let me just quickly connect it. So now as you can see here, our buzzer has started making sound. So now let me first disconnect for a while. So now here let's first of all discuss on the Bluetooth module. So the Bluetooth module which I am using here is HC05, and here are the terminals. I am using 4 terminals out of 6 because that will be enough for this project. And here the RX and TX signifies the receiver and the transmitter terminals of this particular module. And we have the similar terminals at over here also on our Arduino, as you can see, RX and TX. So I have connected the RX terminal of Bluetooth module with the TX terminal of the Arduino, and the TX module of the Arduino with the RX terminal of our Bluetooth module. And the other 2 terminals, which are the ground terminal and the plus 5-volt terminals, which is also known as the VCC terminal, I have given the connection to the 5-volt and the ground terminals on the Arduino. So now let me just connect this Bluetooth module with our Android device. Okay, so now I have turned on the Bluetooth of my Android device, and now let's first connect the HC05 module with this device. Okay, so first I'll be pairing the HC module with this phone. So let's click over there. Let's see. Okay, so usually it takes 4x0 or the 1 2 3 4 as a pin for the pairing. So let's try 1 2 3 4. Let's see. Okay, so now my HC05 has got paired with it. Okay, so now we will be doing the test cases. So now let's move on to the hardware. Okay, so now I will be performing the practical of my project. So now let me first complete this my circuit. Okay, so everything is working fine. Actually this buzzer is making sound because the laser is not being directed to the LDR. If I direct the laser to my LDR over here, then the laser will stop making sounds. Okay, so here, so as you can see, the light is not there, and moreover my buzzer is not making any sound. So now let's transmit this details to my phone using the Bluetooth. So now this is the Android application which will be used in this simulation. So let's open it. I have created this application using Android Studio, in which I use Java language. So this is the first activity which will be open after clicking the Android application. And here, as you can see, there are the 5 buttons: to turn on the Bluetooth, to turn off, to connect to the hardware, which is nothing but the using HC05, and to list the paired devices. And in the end, we can also see the team members. So since it's already turned on, so I won't be clicking on turn on. And to turn off the Bluetooth, if I click on it, let's see what happens. Okay, so my Bluetooth is turned off. Now let's I'll turn on the Bluetooth again. It will be asking the user permission, so here we go. I'll allow it. Now let's see the paired devices list. So as you can see, the HC05 module on the bottom, it is there with its MAC address, it is showing. Now let's connect to the alarm. Okay, so now I'll open the mobile application, connect to the alarm, and as you can see here, it's showing danger. It's because the laser light is not directed on the LDR. If I direct my laser to the LDR, it will show safe. As you can see, it's showing safe. If someone interrupts in between the laser light, then it will show danger, and the laser will not be there on the LDR. As you can see, it's danger. Now I'll be doing some tests. So that's pretty much that project. And yes, there are some minute errors, and that can be due to the sensitivity of this LDR and because of this laser. And yeah, that can be improved if I would have got the if the sensitivity of the LDR would have been better. And yeah, that's pretty much the case over there.